Did you know that it is a fact that people will look at you more if you have a more expressive face versus a flat face? And it is also true that you can train your face to be more expressive at your workplace. Join me in today's video to see how face exercises can make your face more expressive and your communication skills can transform overnight with what you're about to learn. If you wonder why people don't like you or look away from you, it is because the first thing anyone notices about you is your face. And if your face is not expressive, you aren't able to convey your emotions, your thoughts, and connect with them with your facial expressions. If you fail to make this connection, words can barely help you. And mind you, this is not just for actors. If you show up in your meetings or in your presentations without warming up your face, you risk losing the emotional connection. An expressive face is a relaxed face. It shows good attitude that a flat, non-expressive face cannot. Do you agree that a good attitude is a powerful asset at work? It helps you influence others positively and delegate more effectively. But if others don't see that positive attitude in your face, they won't know that it is in there, and that can hinder your career advancements and leadership effectiveness. A big ratio of my clients who come to me for corporate image transformation tell me this one thing, and watch me, I'm going to enact it in their style. Parmita, I'm a nice person, but I feel people don't like me. Once they get to know me, they really like me, but they never really get to know me because I scare them off with the way I look at them. I'm unable to build a connection with people. There you go. Look at this face. This is a good example of a frozen face that's not warm, nor is it inviting. I'm Parmita 𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀, your friend and your self-image transformation coach. You can look up how I can help you through my coaching programs on my website, 𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀.com. Connecting through facial expression is a way to show people that you have the ability to connect with your audience, be it one-on-one or in a group. A frozen face is definitely not expressive. This is caused much of the time by tension. Did you know that your face contains 57 muscles? And as we know, muscles can tense up under pressure. Not just in your face, even in your body. You saw that right before this video, I was stretching and warming up my facial muscles, just like any athlete would warm up their body before a race. Your face needs the same attention. Studies show that doing facial muscle training with face exercises can help people to perform more accurate facial expressions. That's not it. It can also help you recognize the emotions behind other people's facial expressions too. So what are the best facial exercises for expressions? I'm going to give you 3 facial expression exercises to practice for about 5 to 10 minutes before your meeting or a presentation. You can perform these exercises even before a photo shoot or creating content while you're filming videos of yourself, or even before showing up on Zoom meetings, so that your face is limber, it's loose, and it's relaxed, and it's ready to express. Let's begin. So first, we are going to stretch your face. Wake up your face by doing this. Imagine you have been surprised by someone. Oh, you? That's the exercise. That's how simple it is. These are your 2 movements, O and U. Now exaggerate your complete face when you say O and U. When you say O, open your eyes and your mouth wide as if you're stretching your whole face outward like this. O. And then scrunch your face as small as possible when you say U. O, U. O, U. O, U. O, U. Repeat this 5 to 10 times and hold each repetition for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Within seconds, you'll notice that your facial muscles start to warm up and loosen that facial stiffness. The second one is a massage. Give your stiff facial muscles some love by massaging them gently, yet firmly, using circular motions. This will loosen up your facial muscles and allow you to shift between your facial expressions more easily. Now use your fingers or a facial massage tool like a gua sha or a jade roller to press into this area right underneath your cheekbones and also your jawline. So you're not rubbing and tugging your skin, you're just massaging and kneading that area in its own place. Make sure to go over the spots on either sides of your nose, underneath your cheekbones, your jawline, especially in this part. Feels so good. Then go between your eyebrows. Or this is how you would do it with fingers. If you're doing this at work, you could use a jade roller instead of your fingers to make sure that your makeup doesn't budge. It's cooling, it actually tightens your pores as well, and it feels very soothing and relaxing. So this is how you would perform it with a jade roller. But remember, even when you're using your fingers, you are not rubbing or tugging your skin. You're only relaxing your facial muscles underneath your skin. Glide the roller along the brow bone from between your eyes to your temples, and then just massage around your temples. If you're doing this with fingers, then just go in circular motion around your temples. If you're familiar with the term resting bitch face, then sagging cheeks where the corners of your mouth look turned down, your eyes look disinterested, like you're permanently mad or you're plotting a revenge. This facial expression gives you a look that others see you as unapproachable. You may not even realize that your face looks like this. If you're not sure, then check out a mirror or ask a trusted friend or an associate to give you a feedback on this. The funny thing is, the moment I address this in my sessions, my clients immediately put up a smiling face. Smile is not going to help you here. As a leader, or if you're looking to grow into leadership positions, you can't smile more or constantly. It is even more important that you communicate your authority with your expressions. But if you don't have a pleasant expression by engaging your facial muscles and relaxing your face, you will frown more. If you get used to this, over a short time, your expressions get sealed into permanent face of extreme displeasure. You will naturally look cross, and no one wants to follow that. Now, when you check out your options to work with me as your self-image transformation coach, you will also find options to learn face yoga from me. Once you schedule that complimentary call with my associate, you can let them know if you're looking for both self-image transformation and face yoga coaching, or one of the two. When you have better answers, I too can customize more effective coaching sessions for you. My website is 𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀.com. Check it out and get ready for exercise number 3. That's what you're about to do. Bring on those judgmental eye rolls. Believe me or not, this exercise warms up your eyebrows and relaxes your eyes. If you're tired from looking into your phones or into the screens all day long, you know what happens when you're on the screen? This is your face. And what did I tell you about this temporary face that becomes your permanent face? So let's get ready. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm moving my eyeballs in an arc, like a rainbow, a semicircle. So you go from here. Give me 20 repetitions from your right to left and then left to right, 20 each. And now left to right. This will literally start opening up your eyes. It'll take that heavy weight off of your lids so your eyes can express better. When you spend too much time either on your phone or on your screens reading those tiny little fonts, you don't even realize that this is what's happening to your lids. They're constantly just pushing down on your lash line. And this adds to the droopy eye effect. When you have that heavy weight on your lids constantly, it is hard for you to express comfortably. Take a break from whatever you're doing right now and try this exercise and let me know how you felt in the comments below. Here comes the fourth exercise. This fourth one will help you relax your forehead. So start by pressing your 2 fingers in the start and end of each eyebrow. I'll perform this exercise only on one side so you can see what exactly is going on here. So your goal here is to anchor your eyebrows in place so they don't move up or down or in or out. So maintain that finger pressure and try to lift your eyebrow up and then lower them. Lift and lower them. Do it on both your eyebrows together. Hold for 2 seconds and release. Repeat it for 20 times. These are very simple exercises and chances are that you were doing these exercises with me. And if you were, then tell me, how did you feel in your face? Are you feeling relaxed? Do check out my other face yoga videos. I will link my face yoga playlist in the description below. So when you go down to hit that like button and that subscribe button, make sure to leave a positive comment with your experience. For regular reminders on prioritizing your personal development, make sure to follow me on all my other social media handles. You'll also find my favorite products and other courses and programs that I offer listed in the description below this video. Make sure to check them out as well as my Amazon storefront. This description below this video is very important. This is where I announce all my discounts and upcoming events, including my recent masterclass, Metamorph. It is absolutely free, but only for the first 100 today. It is valued at $199, but if you're one of the first 100, you can get it for free. If you are my channel member and a paying supporter, then you have additional perks and exclusive content that others don't get. Plus, you get to support your favorite content creator in making better videos just for you. I will see you next week with yet another exciting video that you guys chose and asked me for. So keep doing that in the comments below. Until then, blush with me.